Hey you guys, I know that you must be thinking, what alternate universe are you in that Renee has posted more than one video in a month? This is amazing. I have the big obnoxious avocado earrings that I wear all the time. They're like huge. Well, Danny wanted a pair of smaller ones that were not so obnoxious, so I came up with these little guys. And they're so quick and easy, I thought I should just do a little tutorial. So we're doing a tutorial. Um, I'll probably do a little companion sheet with it for like $1 that just has the instructions written out. But this is not, I'm not teaching you how to crochet in this at all, or like techniques. I'm just doing it. Um, so if you can YouTube the text. So you would need to YouTube magic ring, single crochet, back loop only, and slip stitch. That's it. That's all you need to know. Let's see. I'm using my little Rico Roomies. Hold on. Oh. The little Rico Roomie DKs. Got one little label on it. In 3 colors. The color for the pit, and these colors don't have names, so that's the color I use for the pit. And then the meat of the avocado, and the outside of the avocado. And you could make 100 pairs of these earrings out of just one each. I get mine from Black Mountain Yarn Shop. You can go to blackmountainyarnshop.com. They're only $3.95. Super, and you get 70 yards in each one. It's 100% cotton DK. And we're using a little smaller hook, so we get a nice tight stitch. This is my 2.75 C hook. And you know, as always, this is my favorite Armor hooks. Yeah, it's not going to focus. Anyway, it's yellow. 2.75 C. And then scissors are the only other thing you need. You can see how cute they are. And they're lightweight. You can't even tell you're wearing anything. But they're super good. And you can do your backs much neater than I did. But I've got them on these simple little clasps. You can use clip-on clasps. You could use regular shepherd hooks, ear wires. You could even put them on a ball chain and make a necklace, or glue it on a hair bow and make a little hair clip. You could do all the things. So let's get started. This, if you're an experienced crocheter, they take you like 10 minutes per earring. If you're a beginner crocheter, it may take you 30 minutes-ish, but they're super easy and you'll love them and everybody will want them. If you don't want to crochet them, you can go to blackmountainyarnshop.com and buy a pair from me and I will make them for you. Okay, let's get started. Magic ring, magic loop, magic ring. I'm filming at the yarn shop today. It was a crazy day. I was going to come in earlier this morning before the shop opened. But then by the time I got the orders pulled, there were already customers coming in. So, okay, 6 single crochets into your magic circle, magic ring, whatever you call it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then once you do those 6, tighten up your ring. Okay. And then you're going to slip stitch to the first stitch you made. Chain 1. And then put 2 singles in each of those 6. So for a total of 12 stitches, you're doubling the size of your circle. There's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Slip stitch. Oh, so this is where I like to change colors. You could go ahead and slip stitch and tie off and then connect your next color, but I like for it to all flow seamlessly. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that and bring in the next color, which is the meat of the avocado, and use it to do the slip stitch. And then I'm going to chain one, and the pattern that we're going to do for this round consists of 2 double crochet or 2 single crochets and 1 single crochet, 2 1 2 1 all the way around. I'm going to be going into the back loop because that's going to give us a more to make the pit look more 3D, like it's standing out from the avocado. So there's 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 and 1. Okay, see how it kind of makes the pit stand out? Can you see it? So the pit's so dark. There you go. See how it's a little more 3D? Okay, slip stitch. And the pattern for the next row, so we'll slip stitch and chain 1. Pattern for this next round is 1 single, 1 single, and then 2 singles. So 1 1 2 is what we'll be doing. 1 single, 1 single, 2 singles, 1 1 2 1 1 2 1 1 2 2 1 1 2 1 1 2. Okay, now we're gonna slip stitch and chain 1 per the usual. Oh, I think I did split some yarn. Okay, no, dang it, there we go. Okay, so now slip stitch. There's no chain 1 this time. Now we're going to go straight into making the neck of the avocado. So you're going to decrease, pull up your loop through 1 stitch, pull up your loop through the other stitch, yarn over, pull through all 3, single crochet 3, 1 2 3, decrease again, pull up a loop, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3, chain 1. But now we're going to turn and work from the back side. We're going to decrease, chain or single crochet 3, or sorry, 1. Good grief, Renee. And then decrease, chain 1 and turn again. Now you're going to decrease and then single crochet 1, but also I need to change colors again. So I'm going to reach in and get my loop for the single crochet, but I'm going to finish it with my next color. And clip that. I'll pull that through to finish the stitch, and now my color is chained. Okay, so now we're going to single crochet in each stitch around, all the way around the avocado. And I'm doing back loop only. Again, for your first stitch and last stitch, there's no back loop. So you just have to kind of make do. But again, I want the meat of the avocado to look like it's standing away from the skin just a bit. So that's why I'm doing the back loop. And we just go all the way around. Okay, we're coming up the other side. The decreases, there's not really a back loop, so you just kind of have to make magic happen. Okay. And once again, you'll slip stitch. And then I just chain one to lock the stitch off and then cut my color. And you're done with the crocheting of it. Now, you just shape it. You could also press it if you wanted it to be nice and flat. I like a little bit of curve, so I'll just pull all of my stitches taut where I change colors and weave in the ends, and then sew the ear wire to the top. And then I want to show y'all the Rickarumi label. And then I'm also going to show you all the colors since I'm here at the shop so you can see. Okay, so here is all of the colors. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh gosh, hold on, let's see, a bunch. See the color variety that you have. It's amazing. We don't have them listed on the website because you can see all the little things. There's the earrings, and a purse that I made from the Rickarumi. But if you call the store, I can certainly help you pick out some colors and get them sent to you. There was too many colors. It was too cumbersome to try to get on the website. So, Black Mountain Yarn Shop. So you can call me. Oh, and there's my bag from Black Pearl Magic. That's where all of my personal Rickarumi lives. So just call the store, and it's 828-669-7570, or text the store and say you want some Rickarumi so you can do these earrings or whatever, and we'll text back and forth or FaceTime or whatever you need. So I'm sewing. Oh,
that's fine. And you can see now we've got.
There's a fly in my house, and I'm gonna croak. I let it in while I had the door open, carrying all the things in. I don't know how I end up with so many things all the time. Okay, so I'm using this kind of ear clasp, so it has a hole already in it, and you totally can't see because it's focused on my eye. Boop. Anyway, if you want to use a shepherd's hook wire, where's the camera? I'm trying to get my eyes out of it. Then you can just open this. I can't. I'm too tired. Just open this up and put it around this after you've woven all your ends in. But what I'm going to do is, you can see how it's right there. Oh, well, that's what I should have done. Just got my face out of it to begin with. Okay. So I'm just gonna kind of eyeball the center. And sew it down, literally. Literally the easiest way possible. Seriously. And then it'll just be like this. Okay, I'm gonna finish sewing it down. But I didn't do a real clean, like I'll cut these closer. Did I do better on this one? No, I'll cut those closer. I just wanted to get it done so you could see how quick and easy it is. Hope y'all enjoyed it. I'm gonna try to keep these coming pretty regularly because I'm really enjoying doing them. So y'all have a good one. Bye.